Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a gallbladder mucocele. You can see the liver and the gallbladder, and gallbladder is full of thick sludge, and multiple stones are seen in the caudal portion of the fundus of the gallbladder. This is liver. This is the thick sludge gallbladder. In the gallbladder, these are the stones seen in the fundal portion of the gallbladder. The gallbladder mucocele is the distension of the gallbladder by an inappropriate accumulation of mucus. Decreased bile flow, decreased gallbladder motility, and altered absorption of water from the gallbladder lumen are predisposing factors to biliary sludge. The term gallbladder mucocele refers to an over-distended gallbladder filled with mucoid or clear and watery content, usually non-inflammatory. It results from outlet obstruction of the gallbladder and is commonly caused by an impacted stone in the neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic ducts. However, in this case, the stones lie in the fundus of the gallbladder. A mucocele is formed by excessive secretion of mucus by the gallbladder wall. Histologically, it has been described as cystic mucosal hyperplasia. The thick mucoid congeals with the bile and causes distension of the gallbladder and sometimes the common bile duct and extrahepatic ducts. Eventually, pressure necrosis of gallbladder wall can occur, resulting in bile peritonitis. Now you can see the gallbladder is over distended in this case, and it measures about 13.3 centimeter into 2.9 centimeter. And now you will see the condition of the gallbladder in the side down position. Again, you can see the over distension of the gallbladder, and the whole length of the gallbladder is filled with thick sludge. And again, this measures about 13.3 centimeter long. Indeed, there is no blood flow seen on Doppler study. Clinical studies have shown that patients with hyperadrenocorticism or hypothyroidism may be at increased risk. Again, you can see the gallbladder in the side on position. These are the stones, and this is the gallbladder. Now, the most common clinical signs of mucocele are vomiting, lethargy, cranial abdominal pain, and sometimes icterus, that is technical term for jaundice. Again, you can see the gallbladder stones. These are the symptoms seen in the gallbladder mucosal. Laboratory abnormalities often include dehydration, elevated white blood cells count, and elevation in liver enzymes and bilirubin. Again, you can see the gallbladder in the side down position. There is over distension of the gallbladder. Incidentally, this patient also has a left ovarian cyst measuring about 5.4 centimeter into 5.0 centimeter. The gallbladder is enlarged with stationary echogenic contents, often in satellite pattern. Often the cranial abdominal mesentery fat surrounding the gallbladder is hyperechoic and free fluid may be present. The extrahepatic ducts and proximal aspect of the common bile duct can be distended as well. Now you can see the large left ovarian cyst. These are the stones in the gallbladder, and these stones are impacted in the thick sludge seen in the gallbladder. You can find some important information about the mucocele, gallbladder mucocele, in the description of this video. And again, you can see the labeling of this picture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.